Hello everyone, welcome to LED Day Full Color Controller Programming Software, a video tutorial. We are the developers of this software, Rikai Intelligent. Today, I will take you through this professional LED lighting control software. This software is designed for lighting dynamic effects. 1. Start solution. Whether you are a novice in the industry or a senior lighting designer, you can quickly master the various operations of this software. The entire video tutorial I will divide it into 6 parts for explanation. These 6 parts will be introduced in the video. I will introduce them one by one. Okay, let's start with the first part. Let's first look at the interface of the software. Introduction. The upper left corner of the software is our menu bar. There are many tool menus in it, which can be called here. Okay, let's take a look at the row with icons. This one is our toolbar. The black part in the middle is our pixel. The black working area. It is used to edit LED pixel points, map and light. The dynamic effect we are seeing now, a display of the lighting effect. The left part of it is our layout window and program management window. This window can be adjusted according to personal preference. We can move it to the right or switch to the left and hide the size of the window. To make it easier for you to display our lighting, to make the overall experience better. Okay, next, we will show you in different application scenarios. Programming case. Let's watch a video first. This is a colorful and mini. A full-color dynamic effect of a luminous world. It has a border and some dynamic light running. Let's take a look at this part first, which is a colorful luminous world. Okay, let's take a look at its running method. This is the action of outlining. After the outlining, we fill in the color inside. After the filling, we do some simple and some light flow effects. Then this forms the border of our colorful world. Then we can do color flow and so on. In this case, we usually handle the background. We are in the custom animation, customized effect. In the editing section, first, we outline it. We use the hand-drawn. After that, and then fill in the color inside. After filling it, the animation effect is completed. Then click confirm to finish. After the effect is completed, it will automatically generate this animation. Our second effect is a flow effect and color flow. We can choose some animation materials to select some animation materials. In this way, we can quickly complete this colorful light project. Finally, we can export it. This is an application case of a dynamic light box. Let's watch a video first. This video is a lighting, a monochromatic white light animated light box. It's a dynamic of flowing water first, and then the text part, and finally, and then make the whole light box bright. It's a rectangle now, which is a relatively simple effect. Okay, after we finish watching this effect, let's take a look at the entire project. We open this software. When creating a new project, you must remember to select our port, and then select the option of dynamic light box. After opening it, it's a light box word. At this time, we can open our project or create a new pixel point. The second step, we can select the animation background of the animation. This is quite simple. After doing the connection layout, we can operate it. Then select our dynamic effect here. After importing the dynamic effect, we can directly export it. It's very simple. Let's watch a video first. This is a dynamic flowchart. It's a process of wind power generation. The green water flow is over. After watching this, let's look at an engineering case. There are 4 ports in total. Each port has a different color. It uses a 4-port controller. Let's take a look at the animation effect of the program. Okay, according to the video of the lighting, to make a light flow. Okay, let's take a look at our layout again. We import an image. We align the layout of the on-site pixel map. And we align it with the picture at a 1:1 ratio. After that, we're done. So how did we achieve this effect? In this background, there is a custom animation editor. We made a stroke here, using the effect of hand-drawn border. Then we did a processing First, we twist it. This simple effect is completed. Let's watch a video first. This is a cosplay, a lighting prop effect. A yellow stream flows to both sides. Repeat this action. Let's take a look at the file of our project. First, we open this file and made a lighting connection layout. So our light starts from the handle of the knife and then flows to both ends. Let's first look at this part. This is our starting point, which is the position of the knife. Why do we have an auxiliary point in the whole project? There is an auxiliary point because we are making it to create a spreading effect from the middle to both sides. So we made an auxiliary point here to move the overall flow position of the light to move towards the middle and front. So we made an auxiliary point here. Let's take a look at the overall lighting effect. Let's zoom in on this area and click preview. At this time, it is a red background and the yellow light flowing to both sides. The handle is in this part, so it just catches the point, which creates a flowing effect. So this effect is a circular flow. Let's watch a video first. This is a wall quantitative engineering lighting effect. Inside, it creates a cherry blossom effect. It's a dynamic flow. Okay, let's take a look at our project. This is the general layout of our project. Let's take a look at the effect again. It's like a blooming of fireworks. This material we usually downloaded from the internet AI to generate an animation and it's directly imported into our controller. It can be in AVI, or SWF, and so on, or TOL format. You can see here. Here is a list of formats. The overall effect. We zoomed in. Let's take a look again. Because the denser the pixels the finer the lighting will be. If you have fewer pixels than the light, it will only be a little bit when viewed from afar. It will have a general atmosphere effect. Let's watch a video first. This video is a small Genius watch in the store, location of a floor of a watch, and a demonstration of its functional status effect. This effect is simulated by lighting the positioning of a floor. We can see that after reaching each floor, there is a pulse and then up and down, a flowing light effect. Let's take a look at its engineering. First, let's take a look at our preview. It's to drag here. You can see it. It pulses after reaching a certain then flow upwards. Let's take a look at its layout. The layout is a simple straight line, which is a series from bottom to top. We have a total of 85 pixels. We made a program in our program and let it loop. You can see here the flowing effect. Let's take a look at it again. The main difficulty is that the lighting in this part. First, we create this lighting effect. Then we imagine. Let's imagine here. We make a light blue color block. And then move it upward. When it reaches this position, we turn it into a black thing, and then move it further. It will move forward. When it reaches here, if we want it to pause, we can directly copy it here. Paste the current frame for how many frames. It will pause for that many seconds. This forms a pause in the movement. This is relatively speaking, except for this part. Other parts are relatively simple.